Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Max app and manage streaming devices, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Max app on your device. If you haven't installed the app yet, download it from your device's app store. Once the app is open, locate the login button on the home screen. Tap on the login button. You will now see fields to enter your email and password. Enter your registered email address in the appropriate field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you forgot your password, tap the Forgot Password link for instructions to reset it. After entering your email and password, tap the Sign In button. Once logged in, you will be directed to the main dashboard of the Max app. To manage your streaming devices, look for the account icon, usually located in the top right corner. Tap on the account icon to access your account settings. In Account Settings, find the section labeled Manage Devices or Device Management. Here, you will see a list of all devices connected. To remove a device, select the device you wish to remove. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the removal. To add a new device, simply log into your Max account on that device. You will automatically be granted access if it is within your account limit. Ensure you log out of any device you no longer use to free up space. After managing your devices, you can return to the main dashboard to enjoy your content. Whenever you need to log in again, simply repeat the login steps. Explore the features of the Max app and enjoy streaming your favorite shows and movies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.